Hola amigos, hola amigas, Dorian here from Electrolux. Welcome, bienvenido, croeso, salam alaikum. Welcome to the channel, y'all. Chesnyak Shimash. We are in the car, and being in the car can only mean one thing. Yes, we are doing a road trip. So the dogs are in the boot, and hubby Lux is sitting next to me.
Hello.
Hiya. And we are on our way down to Heathrow Airport to pick up the mother-in-law. To pick up Margot, my mum, and somebody pointed out to me on eBay that something was for sale for like literally nothing, so I bought it. And the place that we're going to go pick it up is right next to the services that we stop off at the M1, which is Toddington. So we always stop at the Toddington services, or we pass it and we stop on it, depending on which way we're going back or from Heathrow. Anyway, today we are going to be going to Toddington to pick up this machine first, and then we're going to be going to Heathrow to pick up Mummy, and then we'll be coming back. So I've got the GoPro on time lapse. This is being used as my sat nav at the moment. So yes, enjoy the scenery of the time lapse, and I'll see you when we get to Toddington and we take a look at the machine. So it's 20 to 7. We have just picked up Mum. We are here at London Heathrow Airport Terminal 4. The Dolphin is in the back of the car because we just packed up and left. So yes, anyway, so we got it. So now we got the journey home. So I'll see you back home where it's not so cold. Unfortunately, I have to stop the music because I will get a copyright strike. So there we go. So it's been a couple of weeks since I went and picked this up from Heathrow, when we picked up mummy-in-law from Heathrow Airport, and we picked this up from the village of Toddington, which is where the service is that we normally stop on the A1. So 4 weeks have passed, I've had my holiday, and now it's back to the grindstone. So we are back with this Electrolux Dolphin. So this Electrolux Dolphin has been on eBay for quite a while, and everyone was asking the owner if he could post it, and he absolutely flat refused to, which is fair enough. It's a pickup only. And so it was on eBay, it was relisted, it was relisted, it was relisted, and again and again and again. And then I noticed it and I thought, well, I'm passing by Toddington anyway, it's not going to be out of our way, so I went and picked it up. So there we go. I have this Electrolux Dolphin with the badge of Madge on it. If I take a look underneath, we have got a Lux product made in Britain, model Z2230, product number, serial number 006000423, 1000 watts, 50 hertz, blah 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 blah. Has a parking bracket here on the back, 2 wheels, a rotating front wheel. On the back we have the plug, which is an Aristocrat plug. Now I remember these plugs, but you could buy them in different colors. I don't know if it's the same brand, I can't remember them being branded on the back, but I do remember that I had yellow ones for my fish tank. So this definitely goes back to the 90s, definitely, because I do remember these square plugs. They were slimline plugs. Didn't really like them. Anyway, that's the plug. It's 1200 watts super boost button on it, and it has a variable speed. Let me get you guys a little bit closer over on top of it and we'll take a look. So that's better, you can see it a little more clearly now. It's the Dolphin Electronic 1200 as it's written on either side. Initially I did think that that was a powered takeoff socket. It might have been on another model, but not this one. The cord rewind still works very well. Let's see how much cord is on it. Not that much, to be honest. I would say about 6 meters maybe. Let's have a rough estimate. I've got my meterage here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 meters, so it's even less than what I thought. So it's about 5 meters long. Let's wind it in, see how it works. Fantastic, that's really good. Now it is really manky, as you can see on the underneath of it. Really needs a good scrubbing and a good cleaning. The only damage on it is the on-off button, which is this one here. It seems to be snapped off. Seems to be a little bit of plastic on it. That ideally goes underneath there to hold it in, but I can get a little bit of screw, and that's why it's popping out, because of the little bit of plastic there that's broken off. But meh, doesn't bother me. Lovely pink buttons. Now there was a pink version of this, and maybe it was in this color pink. Okay, so on and off button there, power boost, super boost button, and the variable power speed. Bag full indicator. Oh yeah, there we go. Lift it up at the back. All the tools then are stored inside. So we have a little crevice tool, a really worn dusting brush, and a little upholstery tool. That all fits inside the machine. Unfortunately with this, that means, oh no, actually I think, no, this isn't the one. You will have to stop the machine to take the tools out if you needed a tool in between, or you could just take out the entire thing and then close the lid like so. There is a date wheel on here, and the 1 and the 2 are marked, so whatever that means. Oops, I've just lost a 2. Inside then we have the bag, paper bag, brand new one being put in. The inside of it, there is a filter, which is a bit manky, so let's get rid of that now. Whoopsie, there we go. So today's just going to be a first look and quick demonstration of it. I'll put the pre-motor filter back in place. Sit there. I'm going to put the bag back in and clip it on. I will go and retrieve the tools later. Close the lid. Voila. There is a post motor filter here, and that is, I think that can be just clean, to be honest. This also has the exit port. The inside is very dirty with carbon dust, which is not really surprising. So let's pop the filter back on. That just sits on. Let's plug her in. Let's switch her on. Let's turn up the power. And boost. Little light comes on. So there we go, it runs really well. The wind down of the motor sounds absolutely fine. Here I have the hose and wand. So this is the wand for it. Sorry, this is the hose for it with the attachment. Doesn't, I'm sure there would have been possibly an electric version, or this is literally just to hold it in place. Seems to be like that. Clip that in. Plastic wand. I don't know if this is the original head. This is the clip for it. It just seems to be a little bit, I don't understand why it would be like that. Loose. Oops. And there's a metal band. Yeah, that holds it in place. Anyway, that's that. This might be the original head, I don't know. There's no markings of Electrolux on it, and it's black, so it's possibly not the original. I'm sure it would have been grey. You guys can tell me. Let's take off that. Switch it back on. So the bag full indicator light is working. When I cover up the hose, it comes across, so I know that the bag full indicator is working. Super boost. Well, let me give it a quick go on the floor, on the carpet. Just a little push around, see what I think. It is powerful. Suction relief. I'm not too wrapped in the plastic wand. Even though it's a nice strong plastic, it does feel a little bit kind of like flexible and cheap, unfortunately. But it does make it lighter being plastic, I guess. But grip on it is okay. The head on it isn't brilliant. I don't like it. It's too small. It's definitely been replaced, I think. But in general, it is a powerful little machine. So today is just the first look at it, and I will be doing a video on cleaning it up and fixing it, because it really needs a good clean. I'm going to take the bumper off and clean all that, scrub it and polish it within an inch of its life. These two pedals are a little bit faded, and the middle part of the body seems to be more faded than the top. There is a little bit of fading on this level, but I don't think it'll be too bad. I will scrub it and clean it and polish it up. So there we go. That was just a quick first look, pickup, and quick demonstration switch on for you guys. And this will be featuring now at some point in the warmer weather, because it's December here at the moment making this video. It's about a week before Christmas, week and a half before Christmas. I got the heater on in here, but I don't want to be out here for a long time. It's still only about 14-15 degrees out here. So there we go. Thank you very much for watching. Please comment, like and subscribe. Stacks of videos coming up now for the new year, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye y'all.